How to create bundles on Shopify. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Shopify app store and then search for Simple Bundles and Kits. This app will appear. Simply tap on Add App. First of all, you need to build a bundle, so tap on Build Bundle. Over here it says, before you build a bundle, first create a product in Shopify. So go back and head over to any of the product. So let's say these three are your products. Go back to your page and head over to products. Select these three items and then click on Add Product at the top right. So over here you can see it says Skin 3-in-1 Facial Care Bundle. Now fill up some of the information that I have just filled up. Once you are done, tap on Save and go back to your page of bundles. Tap on Build Bundles. Select the product that you have just created and then click on Add. It will redirect you to this page. If you want to add your product, click on Add Products. Select your specific product and then click on Add. Once it has been added, your bundle will be created successfully and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can create bundle on Shopify. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.